labeled SHARP, sharp. These are the keywords you have to learn, children, as usual. Now, after this, I am going to teach you I am going to write some word web on the board about the food. What type of food birds will eat. Now, food. What type of food birds will eat? Nuts and fruits. Nuts and fruits, insects. Now next, what type of food birds will eat, children? Insects. Next, grains. Most of the birds will eat grains. Some birds will eat fish also. And some birds will eat flesh of other animals. EVS, flesh. Some birds will eat flesh of other animals. Now this type of food birds will eat. Now I am going to show you some more details about the food of the birds in your reader. Now open the reader content book, page number 29. Food birds eat. Now look at this picture, children, here. Now look at the picture. This is a parrot. Now first we have to observe the beaks of the birds. This is a parrot. A parrot has curved beak. Look at this beak, children. It is a curved beak. It can nicely eat fruits and crack and open the nuts. Next one, an eagle has a sharp pointed beak. Look at this beak, children. Eagle has a sharp pointed beak and it is very strong. It can eat the flesh of the other animals. A duck has a broad and flat beak. Observe this, children. Here the duck beak is flat and broad. It has a net on both the sides. It can nicely catch fish and insects in the water. Now look at this bird. It has a sharp, long, pointed beak. It can catch the fish in the water. Now these two birds, they have a small and rectangular beaks. It can eat the grains easily. Now what type of food birds will eat? Now once we'll revise here, children. All of you follow this line. Birds eat different kinds of food. Birds eat fruits, nuts, seeds, insects and flesh of other animals. They choose their food depend on the type of beak they have. Birds that have strong and curved beaks eat fruits and nuts. Birds that have thin and pointed beak eat insects. Birds that have small cone-shaped beak eat seeds. I explained in the picture. While showing the picture, I explained about this. Flesh-eating birds have a sharp pointed beak. Birds that have long pointed beaks can pick up fish from water and eat them. The choice of the food also depends on place where the birds live. Different kinds of food are available in different places. So birds choose their food according to what is available and what they can eat with their beaks. Birds have a very good sense of vision. They find their food while flying. Now next, open your workbook, children. Now open your workbook, children, page number 25. Yes, 2 children, worksheet 2. What do birds eat? Write here today's date. Tick the food item that birds can eat. Now look at this, children. These are the grains. These are the chilies with some sambar bowl. These are the French fries. What do birds eat? Grains. Put a tick mark under this. Now we'll move to the second one. Rohit has brought this bird home. What food should he give it? Why do you think so? Now look at this big, children. Rohit brought this type of bird. This bird he brought. What type of food he will give? The bird has a curved and hooked beak that look very strong. Birds with such beak eat fruits and nuts. Look at this beak, children. It has a strong and hooked beak. It can eat fruits and nuts. Now we'll move to the third one. What do you think this bird eats? Why do you think so? This bird have a long pointed beak and lives near the pond. So it may eat fish from the water. Look at this bird, children. Look at this pointed beak. This bird has long pointed beak. This bird live mostly near the ponds. So it can nicely catch the fish from the water and eat. Like this you have to write neatly, children. Thank you.